I've had this one on for a while. He won't. Always wants to go around the motor. Take and drag. We know what it is. You've already seen it. Must be a halfway decent one. Whoa. Dead him. Maybe I'll get lucky. Caught a few in that deep water. I moved over to a weed bed. Got one pretty quick. The mayflies have been hatching pretty heavy, so that's probably one reason they're they're hard to catch today. Oh, another pike, I suppose. I was hoping. Well, maybe not. It could be a big walleye. Well, ooh, nice big walleye, yeah. No slimer this time. Look at that beauty. Ooh, huh? On the ultralight. I'm back in my northern hole. It's really the only place I've been marking any. This feels like a pretty good fish. I missed him on a bigger lure, so I put a little one on. Dropped my camera in the water. That wouldn't be good. Well, he ain't making any runs. Maybe it is a walleye. But he hit it going 100 miles an hour. Almost stopped. I think that's a big walleye. Oh yeah, dandy. Fun. He bit on a great big old. Boy, they are picky. I had to tease this one for 5 minutes. He's under the boat and finally grabbed it. Yeah, nice walleye again. Yeah, that might be an eater there. I may keep one today. Let's